If you're thinking about getting your commercial driver's license and starting a career in trucking, the first step is finding the right school. But not all CDL schools are created equal. I'm Abina with Driving Academy, the best CDL school in the country. Today we're going to be talking about some major red flags you need to watch out for when choosing a truck driving school. The trucking industry is growing fast, and that means more schools are popping up every year. But some of them are more interested in taking advantage of you and your money rather than your success. Let's break down what you need to watch out for. All right, guys, red flag number 1, free CDL training. There's no such thing as a free CDL school. Any school that is offering free CDL training is likely a trucking company disguised as a CDL school that usually reel unsuspected students in with that offer, only for the student to then find out that it was all a ploy to get them to work for their trucking company for a low pay rate. These free schools make you sign a strict contract to work for their company from anywhere from 1 to 3 years. If you don't pass or violate even the littlest aspect of the contract, then you're on the hook for the entire amount. That's typically $10,000 to $20,000. Are you ready to really waste several years of your life working a tough job for minimum pay that could then eventually fire you and charge you over $10,000? Red flag number 2, very short programs with minimal drive time. If a school says you can get a CDL in just a few days with only a few hours behind the wheel, that's a problem. While there is no minimum time required by law for behind the wheel training, driving a truck safely takes practice. Look for a school that offers plenty of hands-on training time, not just classroom work. You'll typically want at least 160 hours of training time with real trucks. Red flag number 3, vague tuition costs or hidden fees. A legit school will be upfront about tuition, what's included, and any additional fees. If you can't get a straight answer or if there are any surprise charges later, walk away. Red flag number 4, outdated equipment. You don't want to train on trucks that wouldn't pass a DOT inspection. Make sure the school has well-maintained equipment that reflects the kind of trucks you'll be driving in the real world. However, don't expect the brand new trucks either. Let's be realistic. Red flag number 5, no certification or accreditation. A reputable school must be licensed by the FMCSA and meet your state's standards. Look for programs approved by the FMCSA. If they're not certified, your time and money are completely wasted because you'll need to go to a licensed school to get your CDL. Red flag number 6, high student to instructor ratio. If there are too many students per instructor, you won't get the attention or instruction you need to become a safe and confident driver. Ask how many students are in each class and how much one-on-one time you'll be getting behind the wheel. This is really important. Red flag number 7, poor online reviews or no reviews at all. Always do your homework. Look up reviews on Google. If a school has a lot of negative feedback or no reviews at all, that's a warning sign. However, don't just judge off of one review site. If they've got a bad review, reviews on Yelp, or over 1,500 5-star reviews on Google, you can probably trust the majority opinion. Remember, the people who write negative reviews are typically the ones who didn't follow the school's game plan. But if all they have is negative reviews, then it's the school that has the problem. Choosing the right CDL school is the first big decision in your trucking career. Don't rush it. Ask questions, visit the camping site if you can, trust your gut. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are CDL Driving Academy, the best CDL school in the country. And if you guys have any tips, questions, or video ideas, or anything you guys want us to talk about related to trucking or getting a CDL, leave a comment down below and we'll make a video on it. Bye.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.